What are the best snacks for traveling? Whether you're road tripping, leaving on a jet plane, or hiking the San Juan Mountains, I have the best snacks for any travel. The best trips start before you've even left the house. Planning and the anticipation is part of the fun. For real, research shows it. And your planning should include nourishing snacks so that you do not get the hangries while you're traveling. Because there is nothing worse than getting to your destination, you're starving, and you just go to the first restaurant you see because you need food. Snacks can absolutely be part of healthful eating, especially when you're traveling. What's your go-to travel snack? Drop me it in the comments below. Back before I was a dietitian, in my younger years, Devin and I's go-to road trip snack was combos. Does anyone remember those? Are they even still around? Now, it's nuts for sure for me. Salty cashews when I want that savory snack, and raw almonds, walnuts, pecans with a few dark chocolate chips when I want something sweet. So let's get into it. The first snack is nuts. First one is nuts. Nuts are, in my opinion, one of the best travel snacks out there. They keep for a long time, which makes them so easy to pack. Plus, they have protein, good for you fats, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They are nutrient dense, so nuts go a long way and they keep you satisfied way longer than other snacks. I love salted cashews or raw pecans, walnuts, and almonds with a few of those dark chocolate chips thrown in. Energy bites are the perfect snack for traveling. I love these. They're a 1 or 2 bite little snack. They're packed with carbohydrates, which we need, protein, and healthy fats. And that combo keeps you fueled and keeps you satisfied. Plus, when we make them ourselves, we control the ingredients. So we control the sugar, the salt, all the things. And these are made with dates, so they're naturally sweetened. These are my key lime energy bites, but I also make peanut butter cup ones, chocolate chip cookie dough ones. The possibilities are endless. They're so good and they keep you fueled whether you're in the car, on a plane, or out hiking. Here's a fun snack fail story for you. When Devin and I were on our honeymoon way back 15 years ago, we were in Paris on New Year's Eve, and we didn't realize that pretty much all the shops and stores were closed. We had no snacks with us, no nuts, no fruit, nothing. So we did what any young couple would do. We got a baguette from the only bakery that was open and a bottle of champagne, and we just went with it. But trust me when I tell you, the next morning we were starving and we were totally kicking ourselves for not having snacks with us to fuel us. And now I'd like to think we are older and wiser, and now I always pack snacks. Next up is fruit. And of course the dietitian's gonna recommend fruit, but let me tell you why. Fruit is not only packed with vitamins and minerals, but it's so easy to throw into a backpack or a snack bag and you're good to go. Apples and bananas are perfect for that. And loaded with fiber. Fiber is really key when we're traveling because it helps keep our digestive system regular. When you're flying somewhere new or just traveling somewhere new, can kind of mess up our schedule and we want to stay regular. So fruit has lots of fiber that helps keep things moving. And here's a little fun fact about me. I love, love, love Honeycrisp apples, but I do not like bananas. I'm a dietitian who doesn't like bananas. I try them once a year and I am 39 years old. Still don't like bananas. Maybe I will like them when I turn 40. Who knows? I do like them in banana nut muffins, so check out my banana nut muffin recipe. So I'm gonna stick with my Honeycrisp apples for now. These bars are great when you're traveling and you need something that's gonna sustain you for a few hours. I love homemade bars because you can control the ingredients and control the sugar. Many of the store-bought bars can be loaded with hidden sugar, so be sure to read the labels before purchasing. Cut up veggies do double duty. Not only are they packed with nutrients, they're packed with vitamins, minerals, vitamin C in these bell peppers, but they're also packed with water because hydration is key when you are traveling. So along with drinking water, if we can have snacks that have water in them, that's a double bonus. For this outing, I cut up orange bell pepper just because that's what we had on hand, but cut up whatever you like. Carrots work great. They keep really well when you're traveling. Celery's another good one. I also love cucumber. So any veggies that you like, cut them up and you get the bonus of all the nutrition plus some hydration. Popcorn is packed with fiber. It's super low calorie and it has the best crunch. Sometimes when you're on a road trip and you're driving for hours on end, you just need a crunchy snack that you can pop into your mouth, and popcorn is it. This one is for my meat eaters. My hubby and my boys love jerky. I happen to be a vegetarian now, but this is a great and easy snack that is obviously packed with protein. Just watch out for too much sodium. Read those labels. Tuna packs are another protein-packed option, and I love the convenience and the flavor options of these. You literally just rip the top off and can dig in, and some of them even come with their own convenient fork. Lastly, I'm grouping these cooler snacks together to round out our good-for-you travel snacks with ones that require a cooler. String cheese. String cheese is a snack that makes kids and adults happy too. It's another easy grab and go and provides a little protein as well. Hard-boiled eggs are the perfect protein hit that's easy to take on trips and to pop into your cooler and go. Hummus. Oh man, do I love hummus. And my 6-year-old could polish off an entire container himself if I let him. Pair hummus with your favorite sliced veggies or some crackers and you get a fiber-filled and plant-based protein snack. Thanks so much for watching this guide to feel-good travel snacks. Now you have lots of options and ideas to fuel your next adventure. And for more foods that'll keep you fueled on your adventures, check out my high-protein breakfast video. I will drop a link to it. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe so you can follow along for more nutrition tips like this one and recipes. And I'm gonna continue on my hike with my travel buddy here, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, eat well, be well, thrive. Come on, girl.